Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for you guys to check my video because this is something new from my channel and it was my first time. It wasn't easy, but I did it, just for you guys to, laugh and have good time with my channel. So before you watch this video, quickly give it a thumbs up, and for those people who just visited my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that when I upload new videos you will come to know that I've uploaded. Simple as that. So with further ado, I will not talk much about it anymore. I hope that you enjoy this video and leave your comments below if you want more videos like this. So let's go. Hey bro, how are you?
I'm good, I'm good.
You're Abhinash, right?
Pardon?
You're Abhinash, right?
No.
No, you are Abhinash.
I don't think so.
What's your name? No,
Moses.
we go to school together, right?
I think you're mistaking me for someone.
You're not from Shillong.
No.
Hey bro, no. Today, bạn ăn?
Bạn ăn chi?
Ở phim đi sih bạn à? Mesti lihat kai bola lang dia bạn à? Si penjat football dia lah. Langsung badai mafi. Today vi. Si lihat kai football lang. Nama kelar yang lihat kai sen asmet dia lah.
They bạn ạ.
You're not
I'm from Tura.
Oh, but you are, man.
No man.
Okay,
My
cheers,
name
cheers.
is. It's okay though.
By the way, you're in a video. I'm doing a prank video, so like I'm acting like I know you, but then.
Oh.
So
Alright.
my name is Eliza.
Okay.
I'm on YouTube. See. Hey bro, how are you? You remember me, right? Huh? You don't remember me? We met in the airport last time.
Oh.
You forgot?
Yes.
You remember, right? It was you.
Yeah.
It was you, right?
Yeah.
You sure it was you?
Yeah.
That's what. Do you remember me?
No.
You remember my name? Come on, man. We said that we'll hang out and all that. Remember me? Hey, man. It's been really long. How are you?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
I met you day before yesterday.
No.
No, it was you. Like
No,
we sat in a taxi and we talked.
I
Yeah, it was you. You remember?
No. I think you are talking about the wrong person.
No. Like I remember it's you.
What's your name?
No, what's your name?
My name is Nayan. N-A-Y-N.
Sorry? Nayan. Oh shit. I'm
It's
so
okay,
sorry.
It's okay. No problem.
Okay. So, remember my name? What's my name?
Like Rishabh or what?
Nah, bro. Alright, what's your name?
Yangshu.
Sorry?
Yangshu.
Piangshu. Okay. Nice. By the way, I was just doing a prank, like acting like I know you, but I don't know you. The camera is right there. So if you don't mind, I'm a YouTuber, so you'll be on my video. You don't mind, right? Chill. Thank Bro. Listen. I'm actually a YouTuber,
Okay,
so I'm
okay.
doing a prank like I know you.
So where's the
So
camera?
The camera is right there.
And your
Right
channel
there.
name?
Eliza Barrett.
Okay, thank you.
So you don't mind if I put
Yeah,
that?
it's okay, fine.
Chill. Thank you so much. You're Lucy, right? I think I know you people. Have you met? Like we've met before?
I don't think so.
Like, don't you remember me? We were in a wedding once. We met, all of us.
It's misunderstanding.
Like, have I mistaken you guys or something? Like, we were talking and we were having a lot of fun. You don't think so? Okay, wait. Your name is Lucy, right? And your name is what's your name? I think I made a mistake. I'm really sorry. Okay. Sorry, I'm really sorry. I was watching you guys from there. Chanel. Oh, I'm so sorry. Kept you waiting. Were you the one I was speaking on the phone? It looks like you.
No.
Just kidding. Anyways, I'm a YouTuber, so I do this thing called prank. Like I know you guys, so the camera is right there. So if you guys don't mind if I put that in my vlog, you don't mind, right? You don't mind, right? You don't mind, right? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. My name is Eliza. You can check yourself. My channel name is Eliza. Thank you so much. Perangi Gibril kumbang itu ifi. Also cái camera cái đơn hàng tây, cái camera cái đơn hàng tây thì ada YouTuber film show em, đồ bộ tao video, tao không lấy shibon mà.